Hi everyone, welcome back. So starting off, I will be taking this Morphe brushes 35B palette and going to start with the purple color with a large blending brush. So I'm taking this magenta fuchsia color and going to take this luxy brush and going to place this color on the outer V, then blend it out. And going to take this dark bluish color. It's kind of purple but looks like blue too. So yeah, I'm applying this color right on the outer corner, then blending it out using the first blending brush. And now I'm taking this Anastasia glow kit, the color Nichole Guerriro's palette Forever Lit, and going to put this on the inner corners of my eyes. And going to take this Luminess cosmetics colors, both of these colors, and going to apply this on the middle part of my lid. And going to take this color from masquerade palette from Juvias place and going to apply it on the eyes. And going to take this Wunder brow cosmetics primer as a white liner and going to draw some stars. And going to put some on the purple area also with the Real Techniques brush. And going to take this color amethyst and Revlon color art in eye luster and going to apply this on the purple area. And Dodo lashes in D115 and going to apply it on my face. And Mercier going to buff this foundation all over my face using this Real Techniques expert face brush. And Urban Decay naked skin concealer and going to apply it on my face. And going to blend it out using Morphe E19 brush. And going to take some Mercier translucent powder to set my highest points of the face. And going to take this Pure Cosmetics highlighter and sculptor palette and going to chisel out my cheekbones using also Real Techniques contour brush. And going to take this Sigma Beauty's blush in Rosa-De-Cora and going to apply this on my cheeks. And going to take this same Nichole Guerriro glow kit and going to apply it on my face. And going to set my face using this Urban Decay all night setting spray. And going to smoke out my lower lash line with the same colors we used. And going to take this Colourpop's Friday liquid lipstick and going to put this Revlon's eye luster and going to apply it on the lips. And yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. I upload every Friday, so be sure to look out for that, and I will see you guys on my next tutorial. Bye.